Hello everyone. It's Tuesday for me and it is raining like hell, so I won't be going outside. Well, I'm outside, but I'm not going to be going out there outside. And here we are on the elevator. It is on the 5th, 6th floor, going to 7. Oh, it sounds like posted things in the mirror. And the elevator talks to you, of course. Here we are on the 7th floor. Back there is the laundry room. And this is basically what I wanted to do. Oh god, it's cold. Yeah, this is the view. Yeah, pretty cool. It'd be better if it wasn't raining. Yeah, so basically, I'm working on Austin's Punishment. I won't be able to do it in a subway because I'm pretty sure they wouldn't let me. Yeah, the rain is just... Fuck you, rain. This rain got ruined everything. And, you can see my face? And, but it's probably going to take me a little longer than next week because the song is actually kind of difficult. All the chords are simple and it's pretty straightforward, except there's a damn B chord in the middle of the song that I've never been able to play a B chord. Yeah, we are going to go up to the 8th floor because I don't want people to come up to do their laundry, hop in an elevator and scare me again. Plus, I've never really been up here, I think. Oh wow, cool. It was even cooler up here. Check that out. What we got going on over here? So, there's the elevator, and I'm very curious about what is going on right here. There's a lock right there, though. Yeah, there's a lock. Huh. That's interesting. And, oh. It's like more stairs going up. There's a view from the very top. See, I don't know, I've been thinking lately, maybe the punishments aren't even a good idea. Chris doesn't seem to be into it. He should be seeing it, he's not. He seems to be into working with Thompson's videos though. So I hope that stops. The car. I really want to try and go up here. Huh, it's locked. I could just jump over it, but I'm not going to. It's locked, they don't want me up there. Pretty cool roof place right here. Oh, that is the Higashiyama Tower. Yeah, from there's a park over there. I think it's like a zoo. I haven't been there. And over there, it's hard to tell what's part of the school and what isn't. I think that's part of campus. Yeah. What else? Anyway, hope Jackson gets online soon. Really want to hear from you. Yeah, basically, I'm thinking just without punishments, everyone should just pick a day, whatever they want, post a video. Don't make it too long, don't make it too short if you can. I don't know. Is it really necessary to punish each other? I mean, I'm still gonna do mine because basically I brought it on myself. Anybody who wants to still do theirs can do theirs. Maybe if you don't get it done, punish yourself or something for our enjoyment. I don't know. It's kind of my thoughts. I'm okay with either way. But I don't want to make it too serious. I just want this to be a kind of a cool thing where we all, just hang out. Anyway, I will see y'all later.